This is Haley and Caroline, and we're doing 2005 net ionics.
Okay, so the first one we're going to do is A of the net ionics, and it says, get this marker to work. It says a strip of zinc is placed in a solution of nickel to nitrate. And so we know that it says a strip of zinc, so that would be zinc solid, and is added with nickel to nitrate. And that will produce, this is a redox equation, so that will produce zinc, a zinc ion plus Ni solid, and we can go ahead and cancel our nitrate out because nitrate and nickel will break up because it's a metal and nitrates always break up, so we can cancel that out because this will be one of the products, but they'll cancel out on each side. And so we're left with zinc solid plus a nickel ion makes zinc ion plus a nickel solid, and that means that the zinc is the oxidized, it's being oxidized because it loses electrons by having a 2+ charge going from a 0 charge to a 2+ charge, and the nickel is being reduced because it gains electrons going from 2+ charge to 0 charge. So the next one is we have a solid aluminum hydroxide is added to a concentrated solution of potassium hydroxide. So we know that's aluminum OH, and aluminum has a charge of 3 plus KOH gives you, and this is a complex ion. So the general rule for complex ions is that since aluminum has a 3+ charge, it's metal, it's going to make AlOH and a ligand that has double the amount of the Al charge. So this Al3 is doubled, and we know this is gives you a ligand of 6, and we know that this has a 3 charge, and these have minus, or OH has a -1, and so that times 6 would give you a -3 charge for the outside of it, plus the leftover K plus. But since this breaks up, because it's a strong base, we can cancel out our potassiums, and so in the end it'll equal AlOH 3 plus OH minus will give you AlOH 6 3 minus, and this will have, if you want to balance it, this will have a 6 in front of it, or no, it won't have a 3. Yep. Okay, now Caroline will take over.
Okay, so the next equation is ethene is burned in air, and ethene is C2H2, so we have C2H2 plus O2 yields CO2 and H2O, and we know the products because this is a combustion reaction. So that's all we need to do for that one. There are no ions, but we have to balance it. And to balance it, you will need a 2 here, 1 5/2, and a 1, and then you have to double everything. And so this becomes a 2. Oops. This becomes a 5. This becomes a 2. And this becomes a 4, so you get whole number coefficients. And that's it for that one. The next equation is lithium metal is strongly heated in nitrogen gas. So we have lithium metal, so it's a solid, plus nitrogen gas yields Li3N. This is just a synthesis reaction, and we know this is Li3N because nitrogen has a -3 charge and lithium has a +1 charge, and so those swap and you get Li3N. And then to balance, you put a 2 in front of lithium nitrite, and you leave this one as it is, and you put a 6 in front of lithium solid. Okay, last equation, lead nitrate and magnesium iodide. Okay. Lead nitrate and magnesium iodide are combined in a solution. So lead nitrate is PbNO3 plus MgI2 yields PbI2 plus MgNO3. MgNO3 2. This is just a double replacement, and magnesium nitrate will cancel here and here because of solubility rules, so as will magnesium iodide over here, so your magnesiums cancel, and you are left with this as a solid because of solubility rules, so your final equation is Pb2 plus I minus yields PbI2, and then to balance you put a 2 in front of the I, and that's it. Okay, thank you.